Welcome students, welcome to my live class. Now I have come here in live by taking some questions from simple interest, okay? And today's class goes like this. And first of all, I want to share here the important formula related to simple interest. While finding simple interest, we write generally as I or I only, okay? That is simple interest we find by using formula P multiplied by T, right? Multiplied by R, PTR, okay? By 100. This formula we use there. And another one is there. Number 2, if it is asked to find rate, okay, rate of interest. In that case, we find, okay, I into 100 by, right? Here will be P into T, okay? And suppose if there is given, okay, question to find principal, then for principal we have to use interest into, okay, 100 and then divided by, right, T into R time into rate here. And when it is asked to find time, then time equals to, we have to use the formula interest into, okay, multiply by 100 and divided by P principal into rate, okay? We use this formula. And number 5, suppose if it is asked to find principal, okay? If there is given amount, then at that time principal equals, we have to use this formula A into 100, okay? We multiply amount by 100, then divided by 100, okay, plus time into rate. We will do this time into rate here first. First time multiply by rate, then add with 100, then only cancel this. And last one, that is, okay, if amount and principal is given, and first of all we have to find interest. That means amount minus principal you have to do. When you do amount minus principal, you get interest, okay? These are the formulas, okay, which should be known whilst solving the questions of the topic simple interest, okay? And look here, after this, okay, sharing this formula, okay, I want to share some questions solving them, which are like this. Okay, I want to clear this and I want to share some questions there. Okay, question number 1. Suppose if there is given question like this, okay, a certain amount of money, right here, a certain amount of money, a certain question is like this, okay, a certain amount of money, certain amount, okay, the certain amount of money, okay, certain amount of money. Table itself, table means 3 times, table, okay, table itself means it becomes 3 times, itself, okay, table itself in 8 years, given there in 8 years, Time is given there 8 years. Okay. Then question is asking to find the then question asking to find the rate of interest. Okay, question asking there. Find the rate of interest. 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 And according to this question, look here, what are given things? First of all, mention then like, okay, mention them, okay, like this. And here, certain amount of money. Table itself, that means let here the amount of money that is, principal, that sum is principal, okay. Suppose principal be here, suppose principal, okay, be x, okay. Then it will be table, that means amount. And amount here is given clearly amount b. If sum is x, then amount will be 3x, okay. Amount is there 3x. Table means 3 times, no? Principal is x, then amount is 3x. As I told you, just simply based on formula, right? I told amount and principal given, then first we'll find out here, okay, interest that you have to find. It is not asked, but you have to find out it. Find out here interest, as we know, interest I, okay. Interest I equals to, we know here, A minus P, okay. Amount minus principal. Amount is given there 3x, right? And principal is there given x. Then it is 2x, okay. 3x minus x is 2x. And after this, then now what is asked there? Now question asking to find here rate of interest, and there is given already time. Time is already given there. Time t is given there already. Okay, that is 8 years. Okay, time is given 8 years. Now asking us to find certain something. Find the rate of interest, that we know rate of interest r equals to, I have just displayed this formula. Rate of interest r equals to, there will be I into 100, right, by it will be p into t. Then interest this we found here, this is 2x, right, it is 2x, and this will be multiplied by, okay, 100, right, 100 and its whole upon, and principal is that we have suppose x here, right, x into, and time is given there 8 years, right, the 8 years, okay. Then we can cancel this x and this x, 2 1 times 2 and 2 4 times, right. Then we can do cancel this 4 1 times, and 4 2 ja 8 and 2 left, and 20 became 4 5 ja. Therefore the answer of this question came there. Therefore rate of interest is given, okay, it has come there 25 percentage, okay. Don't forget to write the per annum also, okay. The rate of interest will come per annum also, okay. This is the way to find out this type of question, okay. Here is given principal x, then it has already told that it will be treble itself, that's why we have to suppose principal x, then amount will be 3x. Like this we have to solve this type of question. But when the question is asking like this again, how to find out, okay? Okay, look, I want to display this next question. I have to clear this one. The question is like this, look here. If it is asked there, find the principal. Suppose if it is asked there, find, question asking to find the principal, okay? Find the principal that amounts is given, that amounts, okay? Find the principal that amounts to rupees, okay? Amount of that principal is given the 530, okay? In 2 years, is given 2 years time, 2 years time given at 3% per annum, at 3% per annum. This is the rate of interest, okay? Look here, first of all, right, okay, what are the given things here in this question? First of all, mention the solution, okay? In this solution, the we have to find out the principal here, okay? That amounts to repeat this, that means amount is given there, right here, amount, okay? Amount A is given there, amount A equals to, there is given rupees 530, right? It is given here, and time T is given also there. First write them, okay? What are the given values right there? Time T is given there 2 years, okay? Mention like this, and next value is that rate of interest, okay? That rate is given there. Shortly we write rate also, and we can write full also rate of interest. Rate of interest is given there 3% per annum, okay? 3% per annum right here like this, okay? And it is asks us to find the principal, that, okay? Principal equals to what here? This is missing value. The missing value is to find principal, that is P, right? It is asked here, question mark, okay? Then now we have to use, look here children, as we know that I have displayed this formula also, principal equals to, if amount is given, then we have to use this formula, A into 100, right? By 100 plus, right, 100 plus, okay, T into R, right, to this. And here we have to put the values of A, okay? What is A there? A is given there, rupees 530, right? Right, 530 into 100, okay? And down there will be 100 plus, time is given there 2 years, then rate is given there 3, okay? Don't try to cancel this 100 and this 100, because here is plus sign and here is multiply sign, okay? Never cancel this 100. Then now we have to move to next step, and it is given there. Write this first of all, 530 into 100 means Here will be added 2 more 0, right? And down here is 100 plus 6. Okay, this will be now 100 plus 6. That means 106. Okay, now let's divide it. Then write here therefore the principal. Okay, we got the principal. Let's calculate with that division. Okay, it is coming 5 3. Okay, 5 3. Then the 30 1 2 30, it is divided by 106. Okay, divide by 106, then it will come exactly 500 will be the principal here. Rupees 500 is the principal according to this question. Okay, when amount is given, how to find principal? This is the way to do this type of question. When amount, okay, time and rate are given, and if it is asked to find principal, we have to use this formula: amount into 100 by 100 plus TR. Okay, T into R. Then we add, first of all multiply, then add, then only cancel. Okay, like this we find the principal, okay, of this question. Understood? I hope you understood it. Okay, if there is any question, okay, ask. Okay, you can ask me in chat box. I will try to solve that. And to this much only from the simple interest chapter. Thank you very much. Keep practicing mathematics.